Let's do a clean makeup look. The makeup where you just look rich and expensive and effortless and clean. And I put some white on so we can really get into it. Okay, let's get started. To set the tone, I'm going in with the CAUDALIE Beauty Elixir. And then I'm going to go follow up with some Herbivore Cloud Jelly. I really like this. Just a little bit. Just for that glow. See what I mean? And with a brush, I'm just going to apply some hot concealer underneath my eyes and a little bit around my nose. I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Now I'm going in with Charlotte Tilbury's Light Wonder, and we're just going to add that to the areas where we didn't apply all of that concealer. It's looking great, looking clean. Now I'm going to go in with some cheek slime, and I'm just going to dot right there and use some on my lip, because why not? This is just going to add a little bit of color to the face without overpowering the look. Now let's groom these brows. I'm going to be using Major Brow by Patrick Ta, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to groom them. Not really going to spike them up. I'm just going to make sure my brows look clean. Using Dior's Glow Face Palette, I'm just going to add a little bit of glow underneath the brow, just like that. Right here, just like that. Maybe a little bit on the nose and a little bit on the cheekbone. We're almost done. Now I'm going in with Perfect Strokes Mascara by Rare Beauty. This is it. Now I'm just finishing off using Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And this is the clean look. But wait, I need one more thing. Scents are really important. This is Skin by Clean Reserve. I'm obsessed. The clean look is a classic that will never go out of style. You can wear this to work, to school, on a special event. Even when you're in a rush, you can look classic, clean,